A lots of people are rearing cockatiel as a pet, but in the beginning time they have no idea about cockatiel bird disease and care. Because of lack of knowledge, the bird are get affected by different type of disease, and as a result they get die quickly. In this video I am going to show you some proper tips which can protect your bird from unwanted disease and death, and all the treatment process are fully natural. So let's begin. Tips number 1 is about how to protect cockatiel bird from virus affected disease. To protect bird from virus, you have to increase the immunity of your bird. To prevent disease like virus, you can use lemon or vinegar. Just make 1 gram of fresh lemon or vinegar with 100 ml of water. Then use this mixture as your bird drink. Those two items will improve the immunity system of your cockatiel bird. The next one is about how to save bird from catch cold or how to protect your cockatiel bird from winter season. To protect bird in winter time, use a little bit of oil seed. Seed like sunflower seed really great for cockatiel. This seed will support your cockatiel to warm up their body from cold weather. On other hand, if your bird is already affected by any type of catch cold type disease, then you can use a natural method to treat your bird. Basil leaves and cinnamon are two natural medicine for catch cold. If your cockatiel are already affected by catch cold, then take 1 liter of water, 5 leaves of basil plant, and take a small amount of cinnamon. Then boil all the item for 10 minutes. When you see the water preparation get cold, just use this mixture as a drinking water of your cockatiel bird. In 90% case of catch cold, the solution works for almost all kind of bird. The next and third tips is about diarrhea or loose motion. If you see your bird is get affected by diarrhea, then it can be dangerous for them. As a treatment of loose motion or diarrhea, salt water is very effective to recover it. To prepare salt water for your cockatiel bird, just mix up 100 ml of water and 3 grams of salt. Keep this water to drink your bird in the morning time. Remember that this salt water must be changed within next 6 hours. After 6 hours, change the salt water and provide fresh drinking water to your cockatiel bird. Fresh drinking water will be continued to drink for next 18 hours. Then repeat the same process for 2 or 3 days. Within this time frame, your bird will recover from loose motion. The next treatment is about mites. If your cockatiel are affected by mites, then you can treat them naturally. To treat cockatiel from mites naturally, you have to use neem leaves. To prepare a solution of neem leaves, just boil 100 grams of neem leaves with 1 kilograms of water. Then use this water preparation to make a bath of your cockatiel bird. This solution will protect them from almost all types of mites affected disease. If you are able to continue these simple treatments, then your bird will get healthier all time. Thanks for watching the full video.